Hey guys, it's me, Rodney, back for another video. And today I will be showing you a lot of slime today. I have one, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So let me stack these all up again. At least let me try to. Like they were before. My two favorite slimes that I'm gonna do first. Alright, so I have all my slimes over here, but first I'm gonna do these two. I'm gonna do the clear slime first. It does look purple on them. Like it doesn't look clear on camera, but it looks clear to me right here. Maybe when I take it out, you'll see that it's clear. It's very sticky because it's even sticking in the container. I can't take it all out. Oh my gosh, that was close. I almost got it all over me. It's so gooey on my hands. That's why I wanted to do my best for the stickiest for first. Because then, if I do it last, then it can't stick to the other slimes and it won't clean me off. So, yeah, it looks a lot clearer on here. On camera, yeah, it looks a lot clearer. I think it was just because the jar, it looked... See, it's sticking to me, like, all over. Let me try to, like, put it on my disc. Alright. I don't think that I could put it on my desk. I think I need to put it away. Alright. See, this one's very sticky. I think it's way stickier than my other one. Alright. Let me at least try to put it away. Alright, I put it a little bit away. At least I put it a little bit. But I need to put the rest away. Probably not going to be able to put, like, all of it away. I hope that I haven't... There. Come on, get it. Get it. Alright, I'm going to spend like hours putting this away if I don't stop it right now. Oh, come on. It's okay if there's a little bit out of it. There's going to be some on the lid. So there it is. Yeah, it looks like dark in camera. So that's as much as I could. Now you know why I wanted to do the, like... Now here's another sticky one because it was in the... Oh, it's not that sticky as that one. I think it's because it was clear. And clear is, like, sticky when you, like, get it. I'm not taking as much as I took out, like, that one. I'm, like, only taking, like, this much. Because it was, like... maybe I could take more because that piece wasn't that sticky. Yeah, this isn't that sticky. Maybe because it was half opened. Oh, yeah, it's not that sticky. Like, let me poke it. Yeah, this one's not as sticky as the other one. I have no idea why, because before it was like very sticky. Like before I got it. Yeah. They both tighten. Yeah, perfect. They are both kind of sticky, but I don't like them too sticky. So that one was like pretty good. You know what I mean? So we're done with the sticky ones. Now we're going to move on to this one. This one is glow in the dark, but I don't know if it still glows. So we are going to check that out in just a second. But first, let me try to do a bubble. There it is. Ooh, did you guys hear that? Ooh, that one's very cracky. All right. So, see you guys in a sec. Let me turn my tree lights on first. But at the second, I didn't think it blew, but let me put my tree lights on so that we have like a little glow, but it's not as dark so that I can still see. There, those are the tree lights. Now let's see. Does it glow on camera? Yeah, it doesn't glow that much, guys. So let me turn the lights back on. Boop. Yeah, that one doesn't glow that good. It was glow in the dark. I think the glow weared off. Not that pokey, but let me put it away now. Boom. And boom. Let me do one of my other favorite ones. Where's one of my other favorite ones? I think this one right here. This one's one of my other glow in the dark ones. I'm gonna test out right now. Once I take it out, of course. Yeah. It's so glittery because I used glow in the dark glue, blue glue, and pink glue. So the blue took over, of course, because there was only one pink. Of course, why it took over. And it's very crunchy once you make bubbles. I mean, it pops really good. So here's the glow in the dark test. Here we go. So let's try this again. Oh, it kind of glows, guys. See? If you guys could see in the camera, it kind of glows. See? It's glowing right now. I don't know if you guys could see it, but I could. Let me try to make a bubble of it. The glowing. I don't think it's that good for the camera to see. So yeah, that's the glow in the dark slime. Let me put the lights back on. There we go, guys. Now we can see myself in the camera. So yeah, it kind of glowed. Not as good as I expected. Probably because I added like different glitter glues but it doesn't matter about the glow. It matters about how it feels. And it's very glittery, if you guys could see. I don't know if you guys could, but it's very glittery. So that's my favorite part about it. So, next slime coming up. Oops. I tried to put that lid in. doesn't even fit the slime. Not even close. Where did my lid go? Holy smokes, no. Did I seriously lose my lid? Maybe it's under here because maybe... I don't know. Oh, here it is, on top of here. I saw it. It was on top of here. At least I found it. There we go. Soak that slime. These two are good. These are not good, so I'm putting those out of the box. And number 2, it's going to be this. It's fluffy slime. It has a little bit of beads in it. A little bit stretchy, not that stretchy. It still stretches pretty far, but it breaks like at that minute. And it sticks together like good. But it doesn't poke that good or make bubbles. So this slime is like my least favorite one. It used to be my favorite one. Till it got like hard because my baby sister left it out. So yeah, that's why. Alright, let's put it away. There it is, under the box. Next slime. Slime number 1. Slime number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slime number 5. So let's get to it now. Alright. I think I'm going to try this one right here. Oh, it's hard to open. There we go. This one's like kind of overactivated and I don't really like it because it doesn't stretch that good. And look, it also doesn't stick that well, say. It's like, and it also doesn't poke like one bit. And it definitely does not make bubbles. So far my favorite ones were these two, even though they were sticky. But I don't really like this one. It's my opinion, and I don't really like it. So, yeah. Tell me in the comments below if you prefer this one. Tell me in the comments below which one was your favorite slime so far. Next one is the kind of so beady one. It has like, here, let me check what kind of beads. It has orange and white beads. See if you guys can see right there. I think there's like some kind of blur in it, but it's hard to see anyway. Maybe if I take the slime out, it won't be. See, the lighter ones are like the, the lighter ones are the, white ones, and the other ones aren't the white ones. So, this one is way better than the pink one. But it doesn't stretch. And it could make bubbles. Well, it can't, but it could stretch like if you were going to make bubbles. So you can make like little bubbles like that. But I think this one's still not my favorite one. I think pretty much these ones are going to be my favorite ones in this video. I'm not sure. We have to wait till I get to the other slimes. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4 more slimes left. 4 more. I think at least. Maybe there's more over there hiding. Well, there is one more hiding, but here, I'll put this one in the video and show you how bad this one is. I keep my slimes that are dry. I keep them for memories because it used to be good if you did not see my other slime challenge. It was good. All right. I like to keep this one like a cake. Just kidding. Look how many beads are in there. Different colors and everything. I think the blue and the yellow you guys could only see in here. Or the purple, I'm not sure. But here it is. Here, let me show you guys the top of it. I like this part because look at this part is a softened part. I had this slime for like a month from now because I keep it. Even though it's very beady and it cannot make bubbles because it's too beady. But it could stretch and it's still good slime. So I'm going to put it away before I get all beads all over the floor. Or all over my table. So yeah, this one I'm not going to be playing with that much. That long, I mean, because it's like so beady. This one is a very bad slime that I was going to show you. So look at it. It used to be clay slime. But it doesn't even stretch. Look at it. And it's not even one bit sticky. Look at it. See it there? Look at what I could just do. I could tear it in half like that. Like so easy. That's how gross it is. And look at it. It's hard to even stick together now. Look at it. It won't even stick back together. So that must have been a bad idea. I still keep it. Sorry if you hear that in the background. That's just my baby sister crying. I don't know what for. But that one's my worst slime, so that's why it was kind of in the corner. So yeah, now I only have 3 more. Let me try this one. I have a lot of blue slimes if you guys could notice, notice that. Let's see how good this one could glow now. Because it is glow in the dark. I have a lot of glow in the dark. It didn't really glow. I didn't see it. Tell me in the comments below if you guys saw it glow, but I don't think it did. I just put it right away because I saw the time on it, and I don't think you guys want to see 20 minutes of this video. I have a lot of blue slimes, if you could notice that. Look at it. I even have more coming. I have this blue. I have this blue. Here, let me do them one by one. I have this blue. Glow in the dark. It's lighter when you... I have the blue that I just showed you. I have this blue. And I also have this blue that I'm going to show you right now. Oh, it's overactivated. Ew. Ew, I'm not touching that no more. Oh, I didn't know that would be overactivated. Ugh. I'm still keeping it, but not playing with it no more. My favorite slime of all. Okay. It's so bubbly, wet, because it's overactivated. But it's not as wet as the other one. But still really good. Even though it's overactivated. Glow in the dark. It gets all red all over me because I overredded it. Wet, wet, wet. Overactivated. Still good. I love it. It's way better than the other one. Look at it. Look at its bubble making. And look at it crack. So satisfying. I think this one's going to be the one that I'm really playing with in this video. So don't mind me at all because I really love this one anyways. Oh, because this one I just made. Like I think 2 days ago. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. And I get to make loads of cookies for me and Santa. Yeah, I love cookies, guys. So I don't just give Santa all of them. I give my own all of them. sorry if I'm playing with this for a little bit. So, yeah, don't mind me. You could end the video now, but don't. Before you end the video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss one of my other awesome videos that are coming up soon. So, goodbye. We're gonna leave now, but look at this bubble before you leave. Oh no. Let me try to make another bubble, guys, before you guys leave. I don't really have a big table. This is the biggest table that I have in my room, at least, with my TV right there. Oh no, it went upside down, but look at this, my TV right there. So, yeah. Well, bye, guys. Have a nice day.